Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to export your account statement. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not to it right now, we have also created a tutorial regarding that as well, in case you do not know how to log in. Now let's simply look at how to export our account statement. At the top right next to deposit, you will see your profile icon right here. Simply hover over it. Well, once you do, these things will open up. From here, directly scroll down to this thing called as account. Click on it. And guys, this is it. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to this page. On the left hand side, you can see something called as account statement right here, just below API management. Click on it right now. And this is it, guys. This is the account statement. At the top right, you can see the export button right here. Well, do note that you can select to export type. It's either JPEG or PDF. Select whatever you wish. In the PDF type, all you need to do is add the file password. Whereas for the JPEG one, you don't need to do anything. Select whatever is okay with you and just click on export. And guys, that is it. As you can see, our account statement has been exported successfully. That is it, guys. That's how you export your account statement. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.